In this video, we will be taking a look at Polkacover. We'll have a look at some of the basic fundamentals of projects and then have a look at some of the key statistics of the tokenomics. Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. First up, please make sure you do smash that like button and that you are subscribed to my channel. So what I'm going to do is run over Polkacover from in a way that I would research a project from start to finish. So I always start off on the main page of their website, then we'll have a look at the white paper, have a look at some of the tokenomics and finish off on either CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, whichever has the most accurate data. So Polkadot, it is based on insurance of blockchain assets. So it does say that less than 1% of all DeFi crypto and NFT assets are adequately insured, and they are here to change that. If we just have a look further down into some of the actual the mechanisms of what's going on. So it does say that is a first DeFi insurance marketplace for a global crypto ecosystem. Insurance protection is an integral part of every financial transaction, and the right to access insurance should be equally easily. I do agree. I think we've been such a long time in cryptocurrency now without any adequate insurance that, I mean, it's taken, 11 years since the beginning of Bitcoin for something like this to happen. And as you can see, in the centre of this entire ecosystem mechanism, that Polkadot is going to be the lead chain on this asset. We do know that it is currently an ERC20 token until parachains are live this year, but we will have a look at that shortly on the ERC20 contract. It does say that we want to give the power back to the people by lowering the transactional and administrative costs of insurance policies and coverages while providing high value with cost-effective insurance products in the crypto world. We do know over the course of the last 10 years, hacking and attacks on blockchains and exchanges has been massive. People have lost their funds, people have been stolen. There's so much been going on over the last years, and I think that if there is an insurance in place on a blockchain, then that is a game changer in my opinion. So let's have a deeper look into this. Some of the ecosystem partners are Transact, Ethereum network. I think I've done a few videos on Ethereum before. Hacken is also another quite well known network. So let's have a look about their platform. It does say we are building the best insurtech platform for the masses. So phase 1 is the Global Crypto Protect products by Polkacover. That does say that crypto insurance products for over 40 cryptocurrencies, and that is growing, insured by a leading multinational insurance company. It does say read page 17 of the white paper. We'll look at a white paper soon. Phase 2 will be global insurance marketplaces. So that is covercompared.com. It will be the one-stop place to buy, compare and purchase from several insurance providers using crypto. That is also good to know. If you are in the UK, I'm not too sure what they're using in the US or other countries, but we have websites like Compare the Market or moneysupermarket.com, and that will be a very similar way, but it will be to do with crypto projects. So I think that will be a cool idea and a cool concept. So covercompare.com, that is. And then we also have P2P insurance, so a community-driven crypto insurance protocol that decides the pricing, risks, claim assessment and rewards of the products. And then finally, which is phase 4, is a Polkacover Claim It. This is an autonomous claim processing platform based on AI and machine learning, acts as a third-party claims management platform for insurance companies. So what does the Polka network provide? So it provides compare and buy insurance. So that is basically this section here, phase 2. And making insurance accessible to all. That's what we want. We want things that is easy to access and easy to set up. Lowered insurance pricing by removing the middleman. If you are looking now at buying home insurance, for example, and you go on comparethemarket.com or something like that, there's always a fee for somebody in the middle to deal with your insurance claim. And that's the same throughout the insurance world. My sister works for an insurance company, and there's always fees between certain amounts of people who's working on it. So taking out that middleman is it's time consuming, so that gets rid of that. and it's heavy on fees, so getting rid of that middleman cuts all that down. Cross-border payment solution, so we do know that cryptocurrency does allow you for cross-border payments in seconds with pretty much low fees. That's what cryptocurrency is here for. We don't want any of the Western Union crap that takes 5 to 6 days to get there. Fast, transparent and painless claims management, that's what we want, and it is also secure and a fraud-proof platform. So let's talk about the Polkacover token here. So it has 1 coin, 2 marketplaces and 11 use cases. So this is the cross-border policy. Users have access to global insurance policy coverage. The Polkacover token will be easily accessible for purchase on the platform and through leading exchanges globally. Currently, we are only on a couple of dexes, but we'll have a look at that on CoinMarketCap shortly. I'm just going to skip a few of them. We'll talk about staking. Staking is massive in cryptocurrency now. When it first came out, cryptocurrency, a lot of it was proof of work, which we do know is slow and very heavy on energy costs. Staking does remove that, and it makes things a lot easier and a lot cheaper, and you are rewarded for it. So on-site staking services and loyalty bonuses will be rewarded with reduced insurance costs. Stake a high enough number of CVR tokens and your interest might just pay off your insurance premium, thus getting you insured for free. That's a cool point. So if you are holding a fair amount of CVR, basically you could be getting free insurance for your crypto assets. Moving further down, let's have a look what we're going on here. So we have a first to address our unserved $1 billion opportunity. Being in first is always the best. We know that Bitcoin was first to the market, and that's been king ever since. So Polkadot could be king of the insurance companies. Just moving further down, so we're having a look at the roadmap here. From Q1 2020, they have been building. Let's skip to current time. So we are now in Q1 of 2021. We have had the crowd sale. They had a whitelist, so if you managed to get into that, hats off to you. I didn't get into that, but I'm looking to buy some soon if we do get a bit of a price drop. So moving into Q2, what we have coming up is a crypto insurance marketplace mainnet. So once that mainnet is out, then people should be able to start getting insurance in place. And also crypto insurance marketplaces, that goes live with a P2P product creation with multinational insurance. Q3 2021, we have platform development commence, and then in Q4 2021 is a P2P platform testnet, and the autonomous claim platform planning commences. So it is going to be a very, very busy year for Polkacover, but that's what we want to see. We want to see these blockchain projects working hard and pushing through. So our core team, we have Kunal Sadani, he is the founder and the CEO. And then Anthony Thomas is also a co-founder. You will find all their details on LinkedIn if you click these links. I'm not going to go through them now. It is a transparent team, as you can see. We have a tech team all laid out here. We also have our advisors, so we have a CTO there, and then we have DuckDAO, which is also a strategic advisor. Moving over to the white paper, which in my opinion is probably one of the best white papers I've seen in a long time. It is very well laid out. There is a lot of information in here. I mean, we have 33 pages of white paper, which is packed full of detail. So I'm not going to run through that now because this video is just a basic overview, but I'm just going to pick out a few of the key points. So one point I'm looking at here, which is quite interesting, is what does Polkacover platform do differently? Here you can see we have Polkacover, insurance aggregators, then third-party administrators. As you can see, the Polkacover covers everything there. So insurance comparisons, crypto insurance, multiple countries, P2P insurance, claims management, loyalty staking, product review. There's a lot going on there, and as you can see, the insurance aggregators just have a few points, and third-party administrators can do a few things. So with insurance, there's quite a few steps and quite a few people involved, whereas Polkacover pretty much covers everything under that same umbrella, so that's quite good to know. If we just have a scroll down and have a look at some of the further information on the white paper, we can see that the P2P platform is Insurance DAO, so we can have a read through that. Polkacover is looking to introduce P2P insurance solution and platform which is being developed to work as an insurance-based DAO in the longer run. Just give you a bit of a diagram there of what's actually going on, and further information down there. If we just look at some of the benefits of a Polkacover platform, it is cross-border insurance purchases and payments options. So, like I said earlier on, you don't need to worry about things taking days, where this is cross-border. It is pretty much instant in any country across the world. Moving further down, we have the insurance policy there, which you can talk about once you actually do buy in. It has got a good breakdown of what exactly is going on. One major point I'm looking for is the tokenomics. So if you just have a quick scroll down, the token ecosystem, here we are. So the token is CVR. With the introduction of CVR into a business model, the incentive to use a Polkacover platform becomes significantly stronger. On top of Polkacover's existing strengths, the addition of a CVR provides additional benefits and enhances the user engagement. So the token usage, the customers can buy insurance using the token as well. Rather than, I don't know, spending fiat, you can use the CVR token itself. So this is for convenience. Third parties can offer payment gateways, integrations that remove the necessity to own cryptocurrency. One other point I'm looking for is the tokenomics. Here we go. So they have already done the crowd sale and the pre-sale. So let's just have a look here. So we have a total circulating supply of 134,929,870. Staking will be at a later stage, and the token buyback and burn 25% of the quarterly net revenues will be either burnt and or bought back. Unsold tokens will be locked for a period of 12 months. The tokens will be equally released if needed into the ecosystem over a period of 12 months after the unlocking period. With the token burn, CVR intends to a final circulating supply of 70 million tokens, and will keep buying back and burning tokens from the open market on a quarterly basis. The repurchase of these tokens is calculated on 25% of the net revenue generated on a quarterly basis, so transactions will be publicly viewable on a blockchain explorer. If we just look here at the platform token sale, so 30% of the tokens are for platform development, 25% are for business operations, 30% for marketing, 10% for capital reserve, and 5% is for legal and compliance. The token sale will consist of 30% of all Polkacover platform tokens that will ever be generated. So that is some of the what's going on with the funds there. And then the use of the proceeds here, you can see a further breakdown of what is what. So that is the white paper. Let's finish off by having a look over on CoinMarketCap and having a look at some of the key statistics of the actual token that we have currently out there. So Polkacover, which is ticker CVR, has a token price today of 40 cents. We are quite a significant amount down on today's trading, 21%, but we do know that when tokens are first released, things can be quite volatile. If you look to the left hand side, you can find the link to Polkacover website, Etherscan, which we'll have a look at in a minute. We have our social links down here. Does say the maximum supply there, which is correct. It does show the fully diluted valuation of $56 million, but what we're mainly interested in is a market cap. But as you can see, it is a fairly new project, so we do not have the data yet. If you are looking to buy some Polkacover, then we have Uniswap. I think on, let's just have a quick look on CoinMarketCap. I think there's a few more exchanges on there, so yeah. If you're looking to get hold of it, I mean, Uniswap is getting 61% of the volume against wrapped ETH. And then we have on 1inch, actually on Bilax here as well, that's getting 37%. So if you're looking to use an exchange rather than a DEX, then you can get on there as well. That's currently getting 37% of the trading there. We're getting, how much volume are we getting? $2.6 million worth of volume. Let's just jump back to Polkacover on CoinGecko. So that is that. The all-time highs, which I'm currently interested in as well, I do not believe is on here. Let's have a quick look. Yes, it is. So the all-time highs, we did it 73 cents, and that was 3 days ago. So we are 43% down from there. It's worth noting that I do believe the crowd sale at the beginning was around 8 cents. So it is massively up from them. But just beware, if you are looking to get hold of some, just monitor a price. I mean, we could come down a little bit lower. I was going to do some price analysis on this, but we just haven't got quite the data yet, so I'm not going to do any price analysis. I will save that for a separate video. If we just finish off by having a look at Etherscan, you can see what's currently going on with the tokenomics. So currently we have 2,760 holders. The maximum supply is there. The fully diluted supply, as I said, $55 million. As it is in the IC20 token, you will find the token details here. So if you're looking to store it in your personal wallet, which I do recommend, for any ERC20 wallet will do, so MetaMask or MyEther wallet, or even I think you can encrypt it with your ledger. So that is the token details there. Do not put any other details other than that. And then if we look at transactions, we've had 13,000 transactions. We're getting quite a few. I mean, you can see people are buying them on Uniswap currently. So we have got quite a few extra, quite a few going through. If we just look at the supply, so we do have 92% in the contract address there. If you scroll to the top. Yeah, so 92% of the supply is there. And then we have a little bit on 617,000 on Uniswap. Then we are broken down into other wallets, but I think I'm going to look at potentially buying some Polkacover. I do like what a project is doing, and once we are eventually on a Polkadot ecosystem, I think it will be a massive project to be involved in. So that is an overview of Polkacover. If you do have any questions about the project, then jump into my Telegram, which is the Crypto Troops. You'll find the link in the pinned comment and the description. That's going to do it for today's video. Please make sure you do smash that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.